know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to talk about today's wig. Today's video is sponsored by AshimarY. Y'all see the beat is on the face, so you hide them and you are good to go. You can do a glueless install, and I did show it to you guys how I attempted the glueless install, how it looks. So I did put the wig on, cut the lace off. Even though it comes pre-cut, I cut some of that extra lace off. It's easier to blend less lace than all that lace. So this is what it's looking like. If I was gonna wear it just like this, you see the lace blends. I could use some mousse and just smooth the edges down in the front. I did go in with a little bit of spray in the front of mine because, girl, I'm going to the gym after this and I do have some errands. I went on a coffee date actually after this. As I'm doing this voiceover, I already went to the coffee date, but I was going on a coffee date and I was gonna go to the gym. So there's that. I am gonna go to the gym after this actually. So yeah, there's that. So I did spray it down a little bit, not anything crazy, just a little spray in the front just to help me. And as you can see, the curls are so beautiful. This WATERWAVE is a vibe, girl. I wanna be on an island. Matter of fact, because of the color and it's fall, I feel like I want to be in some leaves at a pumpkin patch in a really cute outfit. Like, come on, fall. I love the wave. AshimarY always sends really nice WATERWAVE, and I've never received one in chocolate, so this was just up my alley. It matches my skin tone, matches my eyes beautifully. This is what it's looking like. I did switch out in my outfit because I told y'all I was going to have coffee and then I'm gonna go to the gym. So I did switch my outfit out, and this is what she's giving. Look at, there's a little bit of water on that. Like, this hair is perfect for vacation. It's perfect for like something wet because the waves just look beautiful with water on top of it. And I did go in with a light mousse just to add over top my curls to help with any like frizz and stuff like that from being outside. And because again, I was going out and I am gonna go work out, so I did add that over top. Very light mousse. This mousse I think is from Cream of Nature. Whatever mousse you got, you can use. I've definitely used WATERWAVE before where I only add water, I didn't add anything to it. I don't like weighing the hairs down, so sometimes when I get it, I don't really do anything. I just wear them as is. I like the natural look of it, the natural pattern. But this is her. She looks so, so good. Like, look at that. Look at the color. Look at the water on it. It's just so good. And I was just shaking it out so y'all could get the vibe and the feel. This hair is giving, honey. This hair is giving everything. And I just want to be cute and I just want to be outside. And pretty much for this hair, guys, I wore it without parting it. Is that like a pushover free parting situation? I don't know, but that's how I like wearing curly, like wavy wigs like this. You can do updos, you can do pigtails, you can do whatever because you can part the wig and it'll give you like that vibe. But for this, I loved like the pushover type thing where, well, flip over, that's what I was looking for, the flip over method. And as you can see, the spray kind of messed my forehead up, but I dealt with that. In the side, I'm adding a little bit of my mousse just to give me the vibe. I really like this hair. I have nothing bad to say about it. It doesn't shed like crazy at all. Of course, it is a wavy texture. So once you go and, you know, mess with it a little bit, like you will have some shedding, of course, but it was nothing crazy. It's like normal shedding because of the texture of it. But it's absolutely beautiful. The lace looks pretty good. Real good to me on here. And yeah, that's all I did. I wore it as a flip over even when I went out. That's what I did. And I did pull it in an updo, which you're gonna see just so you can get the vibe. This is 24 inches, I believe. All the links for this hair, everything that you need to know will be in the description box below. So I definitely want you to check it out. And if you're interested, then click the link below. There should be a coupon code and everything that you need to order this hair. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. It looks really good. It's giving me all the vibes. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, just keep on watching and subscribe before you go.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is invisions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
This wig definitely gave all the feels. If you are interested, again, check the description box down below for all the links. A huge shout out to AshimarY for sponsoring us. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will definitely catch you all in my next one. Bye.